those equipments we are going to the client to connect their modem. So this is a plastic where we are going to put the modem inside for protection. And this is for soldering, because when we are going to connect the modem, actually there is something between the power cable. We say power for Ethernet. So to connect the wire of the power and the data, we need to solder it with this machine. And this is just to cut the cables. This one is just to, when we remove this one, we need to connect by using this tape outside the box. And this one is just when there's a cable from the top to the house up to the computer. So we need to combine together. If there's two or one cable, connect to this one. And this is just the solder wire. Yeah. What? Silicone. This is silicone.
Let me get some breakfast.
What do you need it for?
This is for?
When we put a radio inside here, we make some holes on top, and then the silicone to prevent the water going inside the box.
Thanks very much.
Asante.
This is just a connector.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yeah. So you can put your wire inside and then it will.
So this is what you need to go on site and arrange the power over internet,
Yes.
right? Ethernet, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.